Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rusty, also known as Reaper Dog here, and today we are going to be conquering the 8th day of the Trihackney Advent of Cyber, which is going to be really cool because it's still with blockchains and how they can be exploited, which is kind of a new thing, so I'm really interested in looking at that. So if you like this type of stuff, like, subscribe, hang out with us, support us, and let's jump into it. After it was discovered the Best Festival Company was now on the blockchain and attempting to mint their cryptocurrency, they were quickly compromised. The Best Festival Company lost all its currency in the exchange because of the attack. It is up to the red team operator, you, to discover how the attacker exploited the contract and attempt to recreate the attack against the same contract. So we need to download the test files, which I have done, and they are zip files, so you will have to unzip them. And we can go down here, getting familiar with the remix environment. We're going to have to import those. So we're in the File Explorer, the default workspace, and then over here, the little upload is the arrow we need. So we'll select both of them and upload them. So from there, the next step is to compile the contracts. So I don't know, can we compile? Right click and just say compile. Compile attack. They say to ignore it. Cool. So here, compile. Back here, compile Etherstore. Hopefully that works. So from there, oh, did I do that wrong? So we actually need 8.10 to do this. File, Etherstore. So we have one there. Then we need to go here, compile the attack file, compile, because I did that wrong. Here, 8.10, the attack, compile. So that says it's under the contracts too, so it should be there. So deploying contracts. First, we must select the contract for deployment from the contract dropdown in 6. So we go back here, contract dropdown 6, and we should deploy Etherstore contract or target contract to begin the deployment. So maybe we so contract attack Etherstore address. So I do get an error here. I don't think we have. So I hit deploy there, and we got stuff going here. Then can I change this to attack? And then hit deploy. There we go. So that seems to work. Change the value. Deploy. So deploy this. So we got that going, and then we maybe attack and hit one. Maybe change this to 2. Deploy. But it went through. So it worked, but I'm not getting contracts. Maybe hold on. Maybe I'm just not looking. Oh, transaction records. That'd be a good place to look, huh? Control balance 0. Ethernet on that one. Deposit. Yeah, there we go. We changed it. So withdrawal. All right. So we're able to manipulate it. Select the label. Select label 6. So deploy. And we did this. Confirm the contract was deployed. So we did that. Kinda did that. So I think. So it didn't get a flag though. Oh, I bet you. Maybe. So I bet you it's call from. Oh, right there. Actually, in the console.log, after I did this one, I got the flag. So I can copy that. Copy that, paste that back over here. Commit, complete. I haven't done these 2 rooms yet. I definitely will. This is something that's really cool. And that's about all there is. I wonder. So, if I can get it to flag again, that'd be nice. So, to get the flag, what I had to do was I deposited it, and then when I hit withdrawal, it actually brought up the console.log, and then it brought up the flag in there. And that's all there is to it, I guess. So that was day 8, or day 9, actually. Nope, day 8. And we will see you for day 9. I hope you have a great one. If you like this type of stuff, if you like the Advent of Christmas and need help, definitely subscribe, like, support us. New channel. But have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.